Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the 23.6-inch compost spreader Peat moss spreader with U-shaped handle side latches. This incredible tool is an absolute game-changer when it comes to maintaining your lawn and garden. First and foremost, let's talk about the upgrade handle and durable structure of this spreader. The high-quality steel construction and powder-coated finish make it super sturdy and long-lasting. The metal mesh basket surface is heat spray-treated to prevent rusting, ensuring that this spreader will stand the test of time. Plus, the upgrade handle adds even more durability, making it a reliable companion for all your lawn care needs. Ease of use is also a top priority with this spreader. It's incredibly convenient to set up and operate. Just install the handle, add your compost, lock the latches, and roll it on your lawn. The handle design makes it easy to push and pull, providing multifunctionality for rolling narrow areas or empty spaces. And with rounded drum ends to avoid damage to your lawn when turning, you can trust that this spreader will keep your lawn looking its best. But that's not all. This spreader is also incredibly multifunctional. It can break up clumpy materials while tumbling, ensuring an even flow and spread of product on your lawn or garden. Whether you're distributing compost, manure, dirt, peat moss, or other top-pressing materials, this spreader has got you covered. And let's not forget about the easy loading with the sliding door. With a 2.7 Ft capacity mesh basket, you can finish your work with just a few backs and forth. The hinging door is easy to open, and 3 locking clasps ensure that it stays closed during rolling, eliminating any hassle or mess. And here's the best part: we offer a 100 satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with our spreader, you'll get every penny refunded to you, no questions asked. That's how confident we are in the quality and performance of this product. So, if you're ready to take your lawn and garden to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the 23.6-inch compost spreader Peat moss spreader with U-shaped handle side latches today. Your lawn will thank you.